So you are all set to come to the Netherlands. You must be busy with the practical matters like visa, flight tickets, insurance, housing. In this video, I am going to share the overview of Dutch healthcare system and health insurance. What is the procedure to register for Dutch healthcare system in Netherlands for an expat, the cost of healthcare system, and what about the healthcare insurance? To find out all the answers of these questions, please keep on watching this video. But before that, please subscribe to my channel if you have not done yet and press the bell icon for the notification of my upcoming videos. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. One of the great things about the Netherlands is their excellent standard of Dutch healthcare, and which is rated among the best in Europe. The healthcare system is managed by the government and supplemented by the private insurance companies. In Dutch healthcare system, a GP or general practitioner is a gatekeeper to healthcare. Every family and student should have a GP. In that way, you will get a medical care when you need it. In case if you have a specific health problem and you need a specific specialist or therapist, then first you need to inform your GP, then he or she will refer you to the specific therapist. The first step in healthcare in Netherlands is to purchase a health insurance. It is mandatory to purchase at least a basic level of health insurance, and you must do so within 4 months of your arrival. If you are failed to do so, then you will get a letter from CAK Netherlands stating that you are uninsured and you will be fined. CAK Netherlands is a government organization responsible for uninsured regulation. They send out letters, issue fines, and take further action to get you insured. The fine for not having a health insurance is around 400 euros. Now you must be understood that you must need a health insurance, then only your GP will be assigned. And now you must be thinking that which health insurance you should take. In Netherlands, there are Dutch health insurance and private health insurance. If you are a non-European student and not working during your studies, then you cannot apply for Dutch health insurance. In that case, you need to apply private health insurance. I will be sharing a link in the description box where you can compare different options of health insurance. And if you are a non-European student and working or doing an internship during your studies, then you can apply for Dutch health insurance. These are the steps to get a basic Dutch healthcare insurance. The first step is register yourself in IND and collect your residence permit card. Go to Gemeente or local municipality and register yourself there and get the BSN number. Then third is compare your basic health insurance and apply for it. If you have Dutch healthcare insurance, then it will cover the essential healthcare such as visit and treatments by general practitioners, pharmaceuticals, and hospital treatments. In Dutch healthcare system, you are also entitled to avail the long-term care and social support care. If you are an international student, then you are also eligible to apply for healthcare allowances if you have Dutch healthcare insurance and your salary is less than 29,000 euro per year. To register yourself for a Dutch healthcare system, you need to obtain a citizen service number or BSN number. You can get a BSN number by registering yourself in a local municipality. Once you get the BSN number, you can apply for health insurance. And to apply health insurance, once again I will repeat, you need a ID card or passport and your proof of address such as Dutch utility bill. I will be sharing a link in the description box where you can enter your zip code and get a nearby doctors. And once you choose your doctor of your choice, and you can register yourself with the GP. Once you register with the GP, you can make an appointment by directly calling them. So this was all the basic information about the Dutch healthcare system. If you have any other question, then please ask by commenting in the comment section. I will be happy to answer. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.